is the greatest gulpsa you ever tasted.
What are they doing over there?
Annual festival tomorrow. We host for local villages. It's so great. You'll have lots of fun, I promise.
You can't promise that.
Everyone have fun at festival, you'll see.
Don't you want to get out?
Mom needs me.
For what?
I'm not like you. You were always strong.
Being strong is a choice. Don't stay here for her. She wants to control you.
She's not a bad woman. People here say she's saint.
People here don't know her.
Why did you come, Oksana?
Because I had the hiccups. What are you doing?
Having a moment? Look, it's me and sister having lunch. Надежда, смотрите, это моя сестра.
Вижу.
Надежда has been cooking for me since I was a kid. А вы будете печь пироги на завтрашний фестиваль?
Конечно.
Надежда enters her пирожки every year and has won the last...
19 years.
You know, Borka is entering a пирожки this year. He wants the prize money.
I'm terrified.
And I am going to help him.
But you are shit at cooking.
I know, but he needs help.
Are you weird as hell like him?
Weirder.
Боже мой.